Journaling is not a new thing. In fact, most of us have been journaling on and off throughout our lives. We're not a stranger to putting our thoughts on paper or computer. But are we doing it right? Do we feel better after we journal, or do we feel worse? If you come out feeling worse after the practice, you may be making the biggest mistake in journaling, and that is you are journaling your woes. Most of us start journaling because our heads are full of thoughts, and the idea is putting these thoughts down on paper should help offload the jumble of thoughts and make us feel better. But is that true? It depends. If you fall in the trap of journaling your woes and problems, like many beginner journalers do, then unbeknownst to you, you have made your problem bigger and more real. The result of detailing your problems in your journal, focusing on the things that went wrong, reliving the moments that are full of emotional pain and discomfort, well, no relief is going to come out of that. If anything, your problem now is going to stick longer and you are more invested in the situation after all that replay. And who knows, you might have added a scene in there too and created more meaning that wasn't there before. So what's a better solution? Easy. It is to journal the positive things in your life, and only the positive ones. Focus on appreciation and gratitude, and you'll see how you've made your journaling practice a feel-good session instead of a feel-bad session. To know more about how to start a gratitude journal, then watch the video after this.